Good girl. Good girl, Stella Bella. There you go. You're such a brat. Look at him. Don't let him take that. Jakey. The other Jakey didn't want to come. The other Jakey didn't want to come. He's attached to Daddy. He's attached to his daddy. Maybe we'll see him on the way back again. Hey, guys. Hey, Peachy. Peaches. What are you doing? That Maya's doing her crazy run. Easy, easy, Maya. Easy, Maya. Good girl, Stella. What are you? Is there something out there? Nothing out there. There's nothing out there. What do you think? There's another stick out there? Go get her, Elwood. Elwood, go get her. No? Come on, Jakey. You ready to hike? Come on, guys. Let's go hiking. Come on. Nope, he's got a stick. Go to Jakey. Jake and Elwood. Come on. Good girls. Good girl, Peachy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Lucky. Oh. Come on. You should have got Chucky today. I probably had time to get Chucky. I only have a lot of stuff though to do later, so tomorrow we'll grab Chucky. Okay? Tomorrow we'll grab Chucky and we'll have everybody. Maybe I'll even grab Ben too. And we'll have a big full play group. Where did we build that thing over there? I don't remember that. Is it rock or something? Alright guys, let me turn this off. Why isn't this turning off? Is this? Why isn't this turning off? How do you? You just press the button. Why isn't this turning off?